Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Tuesday. Today you are becoming an author. Now, an author is a writer of a book, article, or a document. Before you begin your activity, make sure that you write your name and the date at the top. So for today in reading, you are the author. You're going to draw a picture of yourself in the frame and then write a new page for your book. So in this frame here, you're going to draw a self-portrait, which is a picture of you. So the first thing that I have done is drawn a picture of myself. Now, if you are in my class, you will know that I always say I am definitely not an artist, but I always give it a go when it comes to a drawing task. So make sure that you add as much detail as you can so we know that it is you. My new book is called A Summer Day, and I have written a new page for my book. On a hot summer day, Daisy decided to go to the beach for a swim with her brother Trev. When they got to the beach, Daisy saw a large fin sticking out from the water. "Look! I can see something in the water!" she yelled loudly, pointing to the water. Trev was too distracted by the ice cream truck and deciding what flavour of ice cream he wanted. Daisy walked on the hot sand, closer and closer to the water. "It's a shark!" she screamed, but no one heard her. She started to panic because no one at the beach could hear her. It's very important to remember that when you are writing a new page for your book, you include some very important details. One being you explain when your story or this particular page took place. So for mine, it was on a hot summer day. I have included my characters, which are Daisy and Trev. I have said where this takes place, which is at the beach. And I have included some kind of problem, which is that no one can hear Daisy and she thinks that there is a shark in the water. Remember to use punctuation marks in your writing, such as capital letters for the beginning of your sentence or for proper nouns such as someone's name, such as Daisy and Trev. I have also used speech marks, which shows that one of my characters is talking, and I have commas to break up my sentence and also full stops.